Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some taco lettuce wraps. Now, everything I'm making you certainly can put on a taco shell of your choice, but I'm going to show you the low carb way. First of all, get your pan hot. I'm hitting it with some of my garlic olive oil. I picked this up at Sam's Club. You also can get it on Amazon and I absolutely love it. It's got great flavor. It's Pond's extra virgin olive oil and garlic. So it's got, you can see the garlic down in the bottom of it. Okay, we're gonna get our pan hot, and then I've diced up an onion. Now you wouldn't have to use this much onion. We happen to love onion, so. And what you're gonna wanna do is cook it down. It should take about 10 minutes. So I have got my onions about the color I like them, and I'm going to add a little over a pound of hamburger meat. And I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of garlic. We're going to chop this up. I do have this little hamburger chopper. To this, I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons full of chili powder. I'm adding a half of a tablespoon of cumin. If you don't like cumin or cilantro, you definitely can leave these out. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne, a couple of dashes, and just a little bit of marjoram. I just like the flavor of it. Okay, and then give it a good stir. Once I get this mixed in, I'm going to add salt and pepper. I am using kosher salt, but you could use whatever salt you wanted to use. Taco meat is meant to have a lot of flavor. Okay, so our meat is done. I have got some lettuce scoops that I got at H-E-B. They're already washed and ready to go. If you wanted to wash them again, you absolutely could. And you take one of your lettuce leaves, take some of your taco meat, you're just topping it with what you like. So I'm putting on some cheese, a little bit of cilantro, some homemade guacamole, some tomatoes, and then I personally like putting some pickled jalapenos on there. You would certainly could use fresh. This is what I had available, and that's what I'm using. Now, if you wanted to add some salsa to this, whatever, you most certainly could do so. You could add whatever toppings you wanted. I always enjoy a little bit of sour cream. Also, a good low carb alternative is Greek yogurt. So this is what you need to make the beautiful taco. Just wrap it up and eat it. Thank you for joining me today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and I hope to see you on the next video. Hey everybody, this is Missy with Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you like today's video, be sure and check out these other 2 videos I've got here waiting for you in my playlist. And we'll see you on the next video.